What's up, everybody? So I thought I'd get on here and do a little food review from the nursing home. Um, Something new. It's gonna be my first food review, I guess. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Um, Spaghetti baked, mashed potatoes, broccoli, and a roll. Let's try it. It's cold. Mm. I mean, it's got pretty good flavor. Yeah, it's cold. The the plate felt warm though. Mashed potatoes, no salt, no butter, and I can have that stuff. They just don't give it. You can tell they're instant mashed potatoes. That's okay. Broccoli, cold, no salt, no seasoning. Um, Roll, best thing on the plate. uh, Tea. Let's see if it's sweet. Mm, no, it's not sweet tea. Eh, I'm gonna eat it. I mean, that's all I got right now. So I want to get on here and do this food review for you all to show you what residents go through, what we eat, what we do, and as time goes on, I'll show you other things that what goes on around here or in nursing homes. Period, folks. I'm gonna tell you, if you love your family and if you had to put them in places like this, most nursing homes is not that bad, but keep an eye on your family. Make sure you know what's going on every day. Okay, make sure they're getting taken care of because there's gonna be days like for me, because I'll have good days with the staff. Some bad, some don't want to take care of me, some love to. But here lately in these nursing homes, it's been more the bad outweighing the good. I hate to say that because I want to see these places thrive. I want people to know they can stick their loved ones in places like this, not have to worry about it. That's why I started my YouTube channel. I just want to get the word out there, no matter the cost, no matter the price I pay. I know places like it's going to see it, especially this place, is going to see my video. Oh well, I have the right to speak. I'm only speaking facts. That's it. So this is gonna be a short video, around 5, 6 minutes. If y'all would y'all please subscribe to my channel so I can keep doing this? Because the more subs I get, the more likes I get, the more comments I get, makes me want to keep pushing and keep going and letting y'all know about these places. I love each every one of y'all. And here soon, I'm going to talk about what happened to me from birth till now. It's going to be a longer video. I'm just trying to get everything together so I can do it. It's going to be a much different video. And the thing is, I'm not going to edit really none of my videos. I want you all to see everything. No cutouts, nothing. So if y'all would, will y'all subscribe, comment, like, share, hit that notification button. I love y'all. Y'all have a great and blessed day. And just remember, love each other, love your family, love your parents, love yourself. Jay's out. Y'all have a good day.